now the intermolecular spaces. As we know that there are the spaces between the particles of the matter. So in gases, the space between the interparticle is very large. In liquid, it's less as compared to gases, but the spaces are more as compared to solid. But in case of solid, the spaces between the particle is least, very less. They are tightly packed with each other. So in this figure, you can see the level of the water in the beaker will not rise after dissolving salt. What does it show? It shows that there are interparticle spaces between the particles of the matter. Like when you will take 100 ml of water in a beaker and you add salt, and when you will add salt, a little bit level may rise, but when you keep on dissolving this salt in that beaker, the level becomes equal as it was earlier. So it shows that the salt particles just occupied the spaces which were available in the water. Motion of particles. Yes, particles of matter are continuously in motion. The following are the evidences. One is the diffusion. As diffusion takes place in the particles of the matter, it shows that they are in motion. And diffusion is due to higher kinetic energy. In gases, the rate of diffusion is higher as compared to liquid, and it is higher as compared to solid. So it also increases with increase in the temperature. As you might have heard that the smell of hot sizzling food reaches us sitting several meters away as compared to the cold food. Second is the Brownian motion. It is the continuous and the zigzag motion of the particles. And you might have seen that the scene of that room from which the sunlight is coming, dark room, the sunlight is coming from a hole. There are the particles in the zigzag motion. Particles of matter attract each other. Yes, very important. Particles of matter attract each other. That's why we need a force. Why you can't break a stone, unlike you favorite crunchy biscuits. We can easily break the biscuits, but not stones. We can easily tear a piece of paper, but not a tin sheet. Why? These all answers lie in the one term, that is force of attraction. The solids are having strongest force of attraction. Liquids are having weaker than solids but stronger than gases, and gases have weakest forces of attraction. That's the reason why the particles are freely in motion in gases. So these are the important questions which I have mentioned for you, that you can solve out, so that you will come to know, you will be able to check out yourself how much understanding is there you got from that video. Thank you.